Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're traveling or need to translate on the go without internet, this video will show you how to download languages for offline use in Google Translate in less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open the Google Translate app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu, look for the option called Downloaded Languages and tap on it. On the new page, you'll see a list of available languages. Find the language you want to download and tap the download icon next to it. Confirm by clicking Download, and that's it. If you go back to the top, you'll see the language you selected is now downloaded for offline use. Just keep in mind that downloading multiple languages can take up extra space on your device, so make sure you have enough free storage available. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and follow us for more videos related to Google Translate and other helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.